This video will demonstrate how to organize students and grade student assignments anonymously in SpeedGrader. Before you begin, navigate to an assignment in a course. After you have selected an assignment, click the SpeedGrader link on the far right of the screen. This will open SpeedGrader in a new tab. The SpeedGrader toolbar at the top helps you organize SpeedGrader to meet your needs. Using the Settings icon on the top left provides multiple options for filtering and sorting. By selecting the Options link, you can sort the student list in SpeedGrader by student name alphabetically, the date they submitted the assignment, or by submission status. Additionally, you can grade assignments anonymously by hiding student names. Simply check the box next to the Hide Student Names in the SpeedGrader. Submission details can be revealed after assignments are graded and posted in Canvas. When you choose this setting, student names will switch from their full names in Canvas to Student 1, Student 2, Student 3, and so on. When you finish selecting your preferred SpeedGrader options, simply click the blue Save Settings button. Now this assignment is organized using my preferred method. In the upper right corner of the assignment, you can navigate between students using the horizontal arrows, like this, by moving forward and backward. You can also use the drop-down arrow to the right of a student name to choose another student. To learn more, visit the Canvas Learning Opportunities site on Wake Connect or reach out to your area digital learning coordinators at dlc.wcpss.net.